Hi guys, in this video I will show you guys how to solve trigonometric equation when the angle is not single angle. So we have this problem right here and you see that the angle is double angle. Let's start based on our prior knowledge. So the first step is we get rid of 2 divided by 2 on both sides. So we got cosine 2x equals 1/2. And now to make it easier for us, we'll call 2x as a. So now I replace 2x as a. So now I have cosine of angle A equals to 1/2. And maybe on the side you can leave a note for yourself. So let A equals to 2x. Alright, so now I move it down right here. Okay, so just on the side. Alright, and also on the side I will use unit circle to figure out what is angle A. And since we have cosine, that means we're looking for the angle that have x coordinates is 1/2. Okay, so my unit circle, and since my cosine is positive, so that means I focus on the positive part of the x-axis, and it's 1/2. So I have one angle right here and the other angle will be right here, and my x will be 1/2. So I have 2 points here, and my x coordinates is 1/2, 1/2. And of course I will have another one as the y coordinates. Alright, so if you have the unit circle by your side, you should be able to find the angle easily on the unit circle from 0 pi to 2 pi. So when you have x coordinates equal to 1/2, the angle will be, so the angle right here will be pi over 3. Okay, so if your x is 1/2, then your y will be square root 3 over 2, and right here is negative square root 3 over 2. So that will be pi over 3. And that means the reference angle for this angle right here is also pi over 3. So now we need to find the angle in standard position. So for the first one, when you have the reference angle is pi over 3 in the first quadrant, that means your angle is also pi over 3 in standard position. So I have A equals, or if you use calculator, you can do the same thing. Cosine negative 1A, and then you have 2 answer. The first one is, so then I have A equals pi over 3 for the first one in first quadrant. And then I have another one, A is also equals to, and now I need to look for it. So I need to find the blue angle in standard position. So to find that angle, I will take 2 pi subtract pi over 3, and that will give me 2 pi subtract pi over 3, and I need to find common denominator. So 6 pi minus pi everything over 3 is give me 5 pi over 3. Alright, so when you get to this step, you're not done yet. Okay, so make sure you know that you're not done yet, because A is not the variable you're looking for. You're looking for x. So therefore we need to go back and replace a by 2x. So don't forget that. So now we'll get back to 2x. So we have 2x equals pi over 3. And we also have right here 2x equals 5 pi over 3. And then before you divide it by 2, think about if when you divide it by 2, your answer will be cut in half. So therefore, to make sure that we get all the angles, that will be the solution within 0 pi and 2 pi. You need to do one more route for the solutions. So what does it mean by that? So now for pi over 3, I will add 2 more pi to get the next solution. So from pi over 3, if I add 2 more pi, I will have, so from pi over 3, I add 2 more pi, then I will get 7 pi over 3. And I also have 2x equals 7 pi over 3. And I do the same thing for my second solution, 5 pi over 3. So I also add 2 pi, so then I have 2x equals 2 more pi, 11 pi over 3. Okay, and now I start solving my solution. So then next I will divide everything by 2, or I will multiply everything by 1/2. So then from the first one right here, my solution will be so then my x right here, from the first one, my x equals pi over 6. Second one, my x equals 5 pi over 6. For third one, my x equals 7 pi over 6. And last one will be 11 pi over 6. Okay, so now you see that at this step right here, it seems like I already get the answer that's bigger than 2 pi. However, after I divide everything by 2, now we have the solution within 2 pi, within 0 pi and 2 pi. Okay, so in other words to say it, when you have 2x or double angle, that means you have 2 set of solutions. So your solution, after you get the solution from this step right here, then you have to add 2 more pi to get another set of solution before you divide it by 2. Alright, so our final answer will be, so x equals pi over 6, 5 pi over 6, 7 pi over 6, and 11 pi over 6. Alright, and now another way to solve it is just using decimals. So we can use decimal here. And then you can type in 2 cosine 2x equals 1. No, not equals 1, sorry. 2x. And then you try to look for y equals 1. Alright? And you need to change the setting. So now you put the step as pi, and we try to look for the intersection of between these two functions. So basically you treat the left side as one function and the right side as one function, and you're looking for the intersections between these two functions within or between 0 and 2 pi. And here, zoom, we see the 2 pi right here. So we cut it off from here to 2 pi right here. Okay, so then we have one solution right here, pi over 6. That's what we got. 5 pi over 6, 7 pi over 6, and 11 pi over 6. So no matter which way we use, we solve it algebraically, we also solve it using graph, we just have the same answer. Alright, hopefully this video helped you guys understand a little bit more about how to solve trigonometric function when the angle is not single angle.